guys, welcome to my channel. This is my first YouTube video. My name is Diana. I will be unboxing the September Boxycharm. I recreated a look with everything I got on my box. So yeah, I do recommend to subscribe to the Boxycharm. It's only $22 a month and you get 4 to 5 full size. If you do like what I came up with, keep on watching and don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna do my unboxing and try on for the products received this month. The boxes month, their theme. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. You open it up and it's like this. It says, "Hey Charmers, hello Charmers." The theme this month is wildflower. It's really cute. I got 5 products this month, and I think the sum up for this is $111 or $119. So I'm just gonna go over the products really quick, what I got, and then we're gonna try them on. So this is the products I got. The first one on the list is the pretty Vulgar Nightingale Smokey Eye Palette. This is what it looks like. It has 12 highly pigmented shades and it retails for $35. They apply so pretty. I fell in love with it. It's a really pretty palette for the fall. So yeah, it's gonna come in clutch. The next item is the Lorac Big Blush and Brighten. This retails for $28. Like, this is really pretty. Like, this is beautiful. The next thing on my Boxycharm is the Alamar Cosmetics Ojitos brush set. This is 3 brushes. They look pretty basic. Like these are brushes that you need for like an eye look. You can use this one for like carving out your brow or doing your brow for the under eye. This I will use it more to like apply a foil brush for applying a foil eyeshadow or like a pigment. I think this is like really good for like the eyelid. And then this is just a basic crease brush. Those retail for $18. It comes in a set. And I think you can find them at Ulta if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, the next one on my list is the Lorac Pro Matte Lip Color. I didn't like this product. I already swatched it out on my hand. It's just, whoa, yeah. It's just this like, I don't know, like lippy. It's not my favorite color, but I guess it's pretty for the fall. This retails for $19 and you can find Lorac I think in Ulta and Sephora. So yeah, then last but not least is the Butter London Stroke of Wow Roll-On Liner. This is a full-size product and it retails for $19. It's a pretty black liner. I'm not a liner person, and let me show you the applicator for this. It's like a wheel, so it's a pretty interesting product. So yeah, that is it for the products. I'm gonna move on and try the products on my face. So yeah, I will see what I come up with. So I'm gonna start up with the Hide and Seek color on my palette. So far, this brush wouldn't be my favorite because it's like, I don't know if it was sent out like that, but it's not round, so like it feels awkward on my eye, if that makes sense. I'm gonna go in with the color Flip Out with the same brush. I'm gonna do something pretty simple, something pretty, something easy, and I'm just gonna tap that on my outer crease, my outer corner crease. I'm so dumb. I'm going with a fluffy brush to just blend this even better. Okay, so this is what I mean by round. Like, I don't know if you guys can see this. Like, I'm pretty sure you guys can see, but it's more like flattened. Like, it's not a flat brush, but it's not like a puffy brush, if that makes sense. I really do recommend subscribing to these boxes. I know there's I think an Ipsy box. I would try it out if it wasn't for the Boxycharm. I would try the Ipsy box, but so far I'm liking Boxycharm. I was having an issue with this box. It had said deliver on Thursday and it wasn't on my mail, and then last time it said delivered on Tuesday and it was there on Tuesday. So I sent out an email to Boxycharm and they replied, I think literally an hour after. So that's very important. Customer service, it's really important. The hide and seek and blend those out.
Ready to slow down before you came round. I was heading for a small disaster. Before you came round, I was ready to.
I'm gonna go in with this brush. They don't have a name, so like I'm just going with the flattened brush, and I'm gonna put I Spy on the like outer corner, like mid eyelid. Oh my god, this is so pretty. This is really pretty. Like, these colors are really, really pretty. I'm gonna go in with the color. I don't think the glittery color here will look good on my inner corner, so I'm just gonna grab another color and another eye. I'm gonna use like a golden shade on my inner corner. I'm just gonna apply that there. Okay, so like I said, I am not a liner person, but it's a pretty pigmented freaking thing, whatever. I'm gonna dust off my excess powder under my eyes so I can do my under eye waterline or whatever. I'm gonna be using this brush, the flattened brush on the brush set, and I'm using the color Flip Out that I'm using, the darker color that I'm using in my outer corner. I'm going to use that on the eyes. Okay, so I did bring down my eyeliner because I thought it was gonna put the look, whatever, it was gonna make it prettier, but I don't like it. I didn't like how that liner performed. It is a really pretty black liner, but the applicator is just not my best friend. So I'm gonna go ahead and put lashes out. I'm gonna put the House of Lashes. I went ahead and applied falsies on just to complete the eye look. I'm gonna go ahead and try my Lorac blush. I use pretty dramatic lashes, I know, and I'm not a lash person, so putting them on was a freaking whoa, this is a lot. This picked up a lot of product. Let's go and see how this applies. Whoa, this is super pretty. Like, I already have highlight on, but do you guys see that? Wow, this is like such a satin finish on the skin. Like, it's really pretty. Wow, like, I know you guys see that. It's really pretty, so that's a 10 out of 10 for that. I'm loving this box so far. It's everything in there, and it's really good. I'm gonna go ahead and clean my, I'm gonna go ahead and try my Lorac Pro lippy whatever. Just okay, so I don't like this for this look. I'm gonna use a Boxycharm product that I got last month. It's the Smashbox Always on Liquid Lipstick. What color is this? I don't have the color, but it's a really pretty brown. Like, I'm gonna show you guys. Like, it's a really pretty brown. So I am gonna go ahead and apply this color. I wouldn't normally use a color like this. I wouldn't normally use a color like this, but this color is really pretty. The Laura Mercier liner to underline my waterline. This is in the color Brown Copper. Okay, so this is how the look turned out. I'm very happy with it. I think it looks so pretty. It's such a pretty fall look, pretty like night out looking eye look. I did use very dramatic lashes just because it's a dark eye look, so I was like, why not? I used the House of Lashes. I did also get them in the last box, in my last month box. So I will definitely go back to all of these products except for the Butter London and the Lorac lippy. Those are just not my things. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this. Please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what kind of videos would you like to watch on my channel. And if you like me unboxing the Boxycharm, I could do this every single month. I did enjoy making this. It was a struggle. I am still nervous. I just like how everything turned out, so I hope you guys like it as well. I'm sorry if I am stuttering. I'm just very excited to do this and to start this journey of YouTube. So yeah, I hope you guys like this. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And yeah,